So what do we see here in the first slide?
Locks.
Locks and locks and locks. What else? What else?
Rods on which locks are hanged.
Very good.
Sir, something in a lock is written.
Very good. Very nice. What else? So there are strings or ropes. You just mentioned. There are locks and locks and locks. And there's something written on some locks. What else? A temperament, a science temperament has to be a very keen observer. That's what I believe.
Sir, they are of different size.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Sir, they are attached to the rope.
They are attached to the rope.
Sir, they are of different colors.
They are arranged very systematically.
Yes. Wonderful children, wonderful students. So we have ample of...
Sir, they are of different types.
Yeah,
Sir,
types.
some locks are bound to other locks, like the lock at the end of left hand side. Sir, it is binded with two other locks.
Yes, I can see that. Krishna,
Sir,
that was a very good observation.
Sir, all are of different size.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
we have had that. Very nice. All right. Colors, shapes, sizes linked together on the string, different colors. Fine. So we are also unique individuals, right? All the students are unique in themselves. They have their own capabilities, their own strengths, their own weaknesses. Like these locks, we are different from each other, isn't it? Yes? Yes. Okay, fine. Now, have you ever heard the word self-esteem before?
Yes.
Yes. It's a very common word.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What does it mean? Vanshika, you said yes, right?
So I think like positivity or confidence, self
Yes.
power.
Very good. Very good. There are two things written on this: high esteem and low esteem. Can anyone there tell me the meaning of esteem?
So,
Anything else? Esteem means to like, to
Sir,
admire.
being happy.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, the high one is happy and the low one is sad.
The high one is happy and the low one is sad. Okay. As we all are sometimes, right? But then esteem means to like or to admire. And when we add self to it, it means we like ourselves, we admire ourselves. Okay? So in this session, we would be covering these four things. Number one is self-esteem. What is it? Second is self-esteem. What's it made up of? किन चीजों की बनी होती है? Third is types of self-esteem. And finally, how can we build our self-esteem? Now, this is very important as you grow up. Now, this is the age which you are in is very sensitive, you know, and you hear a lot of things from peers, from parents, from friends, from teachers, everyone around you, and you take them. So what is it made up of? Then you develop a certain kind of esteem, whether it's high or low, that defines your personality. And finally, we'll deal with how to build up a positive sense of self-esteem. Is that all right, students?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. This is not science, but I think it's going to be interesting. So generally, self-esteem is referred to the way we see and think about ourselves. जिस तरह से हम अपने आप को देखते हैं और अपने बारे में सोचते हैं, उसको कहा जाता है ओवरऑल इन टोटलिटी ये हमारी सेल्फ वर्थ हमेशा कंपैरेटिव होती है, या वैल्यू, हमारा मूल्य कितना है अपनी नजरों में, ये उसको तय करती है। ये कैसे बनती है? ये हमारे अनुभवों से बनती है, एक्सपीरियंसेस से बनती है, और हमारे संबंधों से बनती है जो आपस में रहे हैं, हमारे माँ बाप से, दोस्तों से, शिक्षकों से, क्लासमेट से, और भी दूसरे लोगों से। All right? So if we can have a chat box and they can, Govinda, you can have a look and say why. So they say yes. Or if they say no, then we have N. We can understand that. Can we do that, Govinda?
Yes,
And you can...
yes.
So, and if there is a moment when you hear a thing which is new to you, you can always say wow. Chat box mein, so Govinda sir dekh lenge. So it could be a wow, it could be a aha, or it could be a wonderful, any kind of thing that sir can see and relate to me afterwards. All right, so that I can see that you're engaged.
So in between, whatever you like, you can give the expression in the chat box.
Yes. Okay. Let us at once decide.
Sir, the chat box is not means opening. We are not able to like. If I want to text something to you, sir, I am not able to open it.
So you can be patient till he works on it. He'll get back to you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you carry on. I will.
I'll carry on. Okay, fine. What's his name? The one who put a question?
Krishna.
So we'll carry on with this, Krishna. Right? And then you can chat. You can type something when it's on. Right? He'll tell you. Sir will tell you. Dr. Govinda will tell you. Sir. All right, Krishna?
Yes.
So let's at once find out what does high self-esteem means and low self. हम लोगों में से किसी की high self-esteem होती है, किसी की low self-esteem होती है. तो हम देख लेते हैं कि इन दोनों में फर्क क्या होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कृष्णा है या प्रणव है या फॉर एग्जाम्पल और कोई है, बहुत सारे नाम होंगे वहां पे, तो कैसे आप तय करेंगे कि आप कौन सी श्रेणी में आते हैं, विच कैटेगरी डू यू बिलोंग टू. ऑलराइट, हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम वालों की पहले हम बात करेंगे. वो अपने मूल्य जानते हैं जो उन्हें परिवारों से मिलते हैं और अपने ऊपर विश्वास करते हैं. दे बिलीव इन देमसेल्व्स. जब कहते हैं कि दे बिलीव इन देमसेल्व्स, दे नो व्हाट टू अचीव, हाउ टू रीच टू द गोल. राइट? तो उनको अपने ऊपर विश्वास रहता है. हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले हमेशा अच्छे निर्णय लेते हैं. उनके जो निर्णय लेते हैं, उनके जजमेंट्स रहते हैं गुड थिंग. उनके दे नो द राइट थिंग टू डू. राइट थिंग टू डू मतलब सही काम करना आता है उन्हें. उनमें दृढ़ निश्चय होता है. दे हैव अ डिटर्मिनेशन टू सक्सीड. हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले ये बहुत असर्टिव लोग रहते हैं. हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले, जैसे 4-5 लोग खड़े हुए हैं, उनमें अगर अपनी बात रखनी है और वो सही बात है तो कॉन्फिडेंस से अपनी बात रख सकते हैं, बिना घबराए, बिना डरे हुए. ये अपने आसपास के रिश्तों की बहुत वैल्यू करते हैं और उनको बहुत अच्छे से रखते हैं. ये अपना खुद का भी ख्याल बहुत अच्छे से रखते हैं हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले लोग. इनकी संप्रेषण की भाषा, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स आपने सुना होगा, इनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी होती हैं, असरकारक होती हैं. और इनका जो नजरिया रहता है, जो एटीट्यूड रहता है, वो रहता है कि मैं कोई भी चैलेंज हो, मैं उसको पार कर सकता हूं, मैं हर काम कर सकता हूं. दे हैव गॉट अ आई कैन डू एटीट्यूड. नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है? लेट्स कम टू द लो सेल्फ एस्टीम कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल. ये जो लो सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले रहते हैं, ये अपने आप को पूरे टाइम क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. ये कटघरे में खड़े रहते हैं कि मैं ऐसा क्यों हूं, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ. बना लेते हैं किसी तरह से, अपने आप को दोष देते रहते हैं. दे ऑलवेज टेल देमसेल्व्स कि आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. इनकी जो रिलेशनशिप्स रहती हैं वो बड़ी कंफ्यूज रहती हैं, बड़ी फिकल रहती हैं. एक भी रिश्ता समानांतर रूप से, निरंतर रूप से चलता नहीं ठीक से. यहां से वहां, वहां से यहां, यहां से वहां. ये रिश्तों के ऊपर कूदते रहते हैं, जंग करते रहते हैं, एक जगह स्टेबल नहीं रहते। ये बहुत डिफेंसिव होते हैं, बहुत हाइपर सेंसिटिव होते हैं, इनको हर बात का बहुत बुरा लगता है, ये ओपन माइंड से सुनते नहीं है बातों को, ये हर कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म को भी अपनी बुराई के रूप में लेते हैं। कोई इनकी बताना चाहता है कि बेटा तुमने अगर ऐसा करते तो इससे और बेहतर काम हो सकता था, ये प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा हो सकता था, तो ये उसको अदरवाइज लेते हैं, ये अपने खुद के बहुत क्रिटिक रहते हैं। ये इनडिसाइसिव नेचर के होते हैं, ये निर्णय तुरंत से ले नहीं पाते हैं। और परफेक्शनिज्म मतलब बहुत टू द माइन्यूटेस्ट अटेंटिव डिटेल्स की तरफ जाना, वहां तक जाने की कोशिश करते हैं, जिसमें कई बार बहुत सारे बड़े काम छूट जाते हैं या इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क छूट जाते हैं। अजीब सी बात है कि लो सेल्फ एस्टीम वालों को हमेशा दूसरों से बहुत तारीफ चाहिए, बहुत एक्सेप्टेंस चाहिए, वो माँ बाप हो, दोस्त हो, कोई भी हो। वो चाहते हैं कि पूरी दुनिया उन्हें एक्सेप्ट कर ले, नहीं तो उनका वजूद उनको लगता है कि खतरे में पड़ गया। दे आर सो इनसिक्योर अबाउट देयर ओन एक्सिस्टेंस। उनको एंजाइटी बहुत रहती है हर चीज की, और अनफ्रेंडली भी बहुत जल्दी होते हैं, दुश्मनी भी बहुत जल्दी इख्तियार कर लेते हैं, रिएक्ट बहुत करते हैं। इनकी संप्रेषण कला कमजोर होती है, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पुअर होती है, और सबसे बड़ी बात जो उन लोगों में होती थी हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम में, कि दे हैव अ वेरी पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग दे वांट टू डू, इनका होता है आई कांट डू एटीट्यूड, शायद मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा, नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे, ऐसी बातें इनके अंदर घर करी रहती है। ऑलराइट, अब ये हाई सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले तो सुनने में बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं कि ये बहुत अच्छे लोग होते होंगे, ऑलमोस्ट परफेक्ट, नथिंग बैड अबाउट देम, नथिंग। लेकिन ये लो सेल्फ एस्टीम वाले जो लोग हैं, अच्छा बेटा ये ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टूडेंट्स की बात हो रही है, यहाँ पे सब तरह के लोगों के बारे में बात हो रही है, बड़ों की भी बात होती है, माँ बाप की भी हाई और लो सेल्फ एस्टीम होती है, टीचर्स की भी हाई लो सेल्फ एस्टीम होती है, पीयर्स की भी होती है, कलीग्स की भी होती है, सबकी होती है। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम अभी आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, हम चाह रहे हैं कि इस विषय को आप जानें और अपनी सेल्फ एस्टीम को अच्छा करें। अब अगर ये कहा जाएगा कि लो सेल्फ एस्टीम कहाँ से आई है, तो सबसे पहले तो हमारा खुद का वार्तालाप, हमारी खुद की बातचीत जो हमारे से होती है, वी टॉक टू आवरसेल्व्स, वी थिंक almost every time during the day, the thought process is on, and we keep on reminding ourselves most of the time, say 70% of the time out of 100, that I'm bad, I'm not that good, I'm ugly, I'm stupid, etc. और अपने आप को नापसंद करना, आई डोंट लाइक माई सेल्फ, अगर मेरे बाल थोड़े से ऐसे होते, मेरे कान ऐसे होते, मेरी नाक और थोड़ी तीखी होती, मेरे होंठ ऐसे होते, मेरा रंग ऐसा होता, मेरी हाइट ऐसी होती, फिजिकल डिनोमिनेशंस की बात कर रहे हैं, मेरा आईक्यू ऐसा होता, मेरा दिमाग ऐसा होता, मेरी डिसाइसिवनेस ऐसी होती, मैं वैसा स्मार्ट होता, मैं ऐसा होता, राइट? बाय हैंगिंग अराउंड बाय योरसेल्फ और अदर पीपल हु टीज यू, ऐसे समूह का हिस्सा बनना जहां लोग आपका मजाक उड़ाते हैं और आप भी हंसते हैं और उसमें आनंद लेते हैं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आपकी खुद की पर्सनालिटी बहुत कमजोर होती जाती है, वीक होती जाती है, आपकी एस्टीम, यू हेट योरसेल्फ स्लोली। आप हमेशा ऐसा सोचते हैं कि मैं ही क्यों हूं, मैं ही वो क्यों हूं जो हमेशा गलतियां करता है, इट्स बाय ओनली मी। ऐसा पसंद करते हैं कि मैं किसी भरे कमरे में जा रहा हूं जहां बहुत सारे लोग हैं, किसी पार्टी में जा रहा हूं, क्लास में भी जा रहा हूं, तो घुसते से ही मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि लोग मुझे पसंद नहीं करते, या मैं कोई ऐसा दोस्त की तरफ देखने की कोशिश करता हूं जो मेरा कंफर्ट जोन होता है, जिसके पास मैं बैठना चाहता हूं कि ये मुझे पसंद करेगा, शायद यही पसंद करता है, बाकी सब मुझे पसंद नहीं करता, ऐसी फीलिंग कभी आती है। पुरानी बातें जो घर में हुई हैं, परिवार में हुई हैं, स्कूल में हुई हैं, मेरे साथ हुई हैं, दोस्त ने की है, बड़े ने की है, पुलिस वाले ने की है, रोड पे की है, किसी ने धक्का दिया है, किसी ने टांग अड़ाई है, किसी ने बुरी तरह बोला है, ये सब बातें मेरे दिमाग में अगर रहती हैं तो मैं ज्यादातर समय वही सोचता हूँ, पुरानी बातें, कि ये मेरे साथ होती क्यों है। कुछ ऐसा नहीं करना जिससे तुम्हें आनंद मिले या जिसमें तुम अच्छे हो, things you are at good at or you enjoy doing, उसका प्रतिशत बहुत कम रहता है। और लास्टली, हम कानों के बहुत कच्चे होते हैं, we listen to people and we start believing others who tell us negative things about us, we start believing them. Now that's the most derogatory part. हम तुरंत उस पर विश्वास करने लगते हैं. अब अगर मुझे मेरी सेल्फ एस्टीम को बढ़ाना है तो मैं उसके लिए क्या करूंगा? तो सबसे पहली स्टेप है कि 3 कॉम्प्लीमेंट जर्नल. जर्नल क्या होता है? एक नोटबुक होगी आपके पास जहां पे आप डेली रिकॉर्ड आपके इवेंट्स का, हैपनिंग्स का, जो रोजमर्रा होती है उन चीजों का एक रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं. तो आपको अपने पास एक जर्नल होना चाहिए और 3 कॉम्प्लीमेंट का होना चाहिए. और कहा ऐसा जाता है कि हर सुबह उठने के बाद ब्रश करें, फ्रेश हो, लेकिन उसके बाद आईना देखें और अपने बारे में 3 अच्छी चीजें लिखें. कहें, माइट साउंड फूलिश, हो सकता है मूर्खतापूर्ण लगे, हो सकता है 3 सप्ताह तक काम नहीं करे, हो सकता है 6 महीने तक काम नहीं करे, लेकिन एक दिन जब ये काम करने लग जाता है तो हमारी सेल्फ बिलीफ बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाती है. सो आई एम गुड एट माई सेल्फ, आई लुक गुड, आई वेयर गुड, I do things intelligently, even if you might be doing it. We want you to acknowledge this fact that we want to look at the brighter side in your personality. You need to find out the bright things in your personality. अच्छी बातों को देखें, याद करें, लिखें, जर्नल को भरें. आपकी बहुत सारी खूबियां आपको जो अभी तक नहीं मालूम थी, अवचेतन मन से निकल के बाहर आ जाएंगी और लोगों को दिखने लगेंगी. Suddenly you will be more grateful to yourself. You will be enjoying your life. आपको अपनी डिजायर्स और नीड्स के ऊपर ध्यान देना चाहिए. अब कौन सी चीजें हो सकती हैं? वो तो 3 चीजें जो हमारे पास जो होती हैं, बॉडी, माइंड एंड सोल. तो बॉडी क्या कह रही है, क्या सिग्नल दे रही है, हमें समझ में आना चाहिए. थकान लग रही है, लेथार्जी लग रही है, बोरियत लग रही है, चिड़चिड़ाहट हो रही है, सारे संकेत शरीर से आ जाते हैं. तो क्या मुझे एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए, क्या मुझे स्ट्रेचिंग करना चाहिए, क्या मुझे बिस्तर से उठ के या जो भी पोस्चर है जिसमें अभी लेटा हुआ हूं घंटों से या मिनटों से, क्या मुझे शरीर के संकेत समझ में आ रहे हैं, मुझे उसकी जरूरत समझ में आ रही है? इफ यस, देन यू शुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. सेकेंड थिंग इज सोल. मेरी किसी से बात करने की इच्छा हो रही है. वो मेरे माँ बाप हो सकते हैं, मेरे पास नहीं हो तो दूर हो सकते हैं, मेरे दोस्त हो सकते हैं, मेरा कोई बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड हो सकता है, मेरे सर हो सकते हैं जिनसे मैं सारी बातें शेयर करता हूं. तो मेरी आत्मा की बात मैं उनसे बात करना चाहता हूं. माइंड, समथिंग tingles you, something tells you that you need to sing, you need to dance, you need to get. उसकी जरूरत समझ में आनी चाहिए. जैसे ये जरूरतें समझ में आती है और हम एक बैलेंस स्ट्राइक कर लेते हैं जो कि बीच में लिखा हुआ है, तो we try to be happy. And more if we consistently do this, we remain. देश आपको मिलते होंगे, आप इंटरनेट वाली जनरेशन है, आप देखते भी होंगे. बट ईटिंग हेल्दी एंड टेकिंग प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, और आजकल तो कहा ही जा रहा है कोरोना के टाइम पे, राइट, वही चीजें यहीं पे भी फिर दोहराई गई हैं कि आपकी फिजिकल नीड्स की जरूरत है, आपको समझ में आनी चाहिए. कुछ डंबल्स दिखाएं, शूज दिखाएं, कैसा खाना होना चाहिए, आपके बिस्तर कैसा होना चाहिए, नीचे गादी कैसी होनी चाहिए तक उसमें बताया गया है कि फ्लैट सरफेस कैसा होना चाहिए, पॉस्चर कैसा होना चाहिए, आपका सोशल अप्रोच कैसा होना चाहिए जिससे आपको खुद को अच्छा लगे, आपका मेंटल अप्रोच कैसा होना चाहिए, आपको टीवी या यूट्यूब या वीडियो कौन से देखने चाहिए, आपका स्पिरिचुअल क्या होना चाहिए. ईश्वर का नाम सुबह लेना, रात लेना, दोपहर लेना, हमेशा लेना और उसको धन्यवाद देना कि आप हैं, अभी सुरक्षित हैं, उस बात के लिए, आपके भावनात्मक पक्ष के लिए. और इमोशनल बीइंग, try to be respectful and try to be good to others, try to speak good to others, try to have a good tone of voice, try to have a quality of words with you, right, that caters to your emotional needs. हाइजीन के बारे में है, अभी भी कहा जा रहा है, दांत बहुत ब्रश करिए, हम करते हैं नहीं करते मालूम नहीं, नाखून छोटे रखिए, बाल छोटे रखिए, ट्रिम होने चाहिए, शॉर्ट एंड क्लीन. ये आपकी सेल्फ एस्टीम बढ़ाती हैं, विश्वास करिए, ऐसा रिसर्च कहती है, मैं नहीं कहता हूँ. एक्सरसाइज, सिक्रीशन होता है पॉजिटिव हार्मोन्स का. करते हैं आप लोग सब एक्सरसाइज? यस यस यस. ऐसे हाथ ऊंचा कर दीजिए जिनके फोटो दिख रहे हैं.
Yes,
किसी का भी
sir.
हाथ ऊंचा नहीं हो. कृष्णा का हुआ सबसे बड़ा हाथ. कृष्णा तुम्हारी आज नींद नहीं हुई है पूरी, आज नींद नहीं हुई ना पूरी, नींद आ रही है, बहुत गलत टाइम रखा है क्या सर ने ये 2 बजे का? अभी तुमने इतना बड़ा मुंह फाड़ा था।
नहीं
तुम्हें ये
सर,
नहीं था?
वो
अभी तुम, हाँ क्या हो गया बेटा?
दोपहर के टाइम में सोते हैं ना सर, इसलिए।
हाँ, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, आई रिलेट टू योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, क्योंकि अभी तुमने जब ऐसा यॉन किया ना तो ऐसा कि इतना बड़ा किया, मेरे को लगा मैं अंदर नहीं चला जाऊं उसके। So you also need to learn that if you are available on the screen looking at the teacher and a lot of people looking at you, you need to put that hand on your mouth and say excuse me, so that the person in front knows that you're a student from a very reputed institute and pursuing your science career. Right, Krishna?
Yes sir.
Fine. So you need to have a good sleep. Krishna, अपनी बात पूरी हो गई, सोना भी पूरा चाहिए, तो अगर दोपहर में नहीं मिले तो रात को पूरा सो लेंगे अपन. All right?
Yes sir.
Fine.
Yes sir.
Hygiene, साफ सफाई, everything is important. Dress something that makes you feel wonderful. Now, it doesn't have to be a very costly dress. Remember, it doesn't have to be a very costly wardrobe. No. Anything which makes you feel good. साफ धुला हुआ, आयरन किया हुआ कुर्ता पजामा भी चलेगा, शर्ट, ट्राउजर, जीन्स, anything would do. But that makes you feel good about yourself. It's all about feeling good. कहते हैं कि सेल्फ एस्टीम का कोलाज बनाना चाहिए. ऐसी पिक्चर्स को मैगजीन्स में से इकट्ठा करना चाहिए जिससे हमारे एस्पिरेशंस, हमारे ड्रीम्स, हमारे सपने जुड़ते हैं. वो हिमालय का पीक हो सकता है, माउंट एवरेस्ट हो सकता है, वो एक नदी हो सकती है जो बह रही हो लगातार. बहुत सारी हमारी पर्सनालिटी से जुड़ी हुई चीजें, उनका एक कोलाज बनना चाहिए. या फिर ऐसे वर्ड्स का कोलाज बनना चाहिए जो यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं: कॉन्फिडेंस, जजमेंट, इमोशन, प्राइड, वर्थ, you know, all those positive words which should be inside your personality. तो ऐसे 2 कोलाज हमेशा आपके कमरे में होने चाहिए, बेडरूम में होने चाहिए. Set up challenges you can achieve. There is always a better you. If you can't find that, then it's a waste. So every day there is a better you waiting to come out. हर रोज. So if you have the guts to accept challenges and break the old habits and kickstart new ones, then every day gives you a chance. It's all about chance and the choices you make in your life. You need to have good self-images with affirmations. Affirmations मतलब होता है पॉजिटिव शब्दों का भंडार, अपने आप को याद दिलाना पुराना. I am enough. Good things are going to happen to me. I am not stuck. मैं कहीं भी रुका हुआ नहीं हूं, ना रिलेशनशिप में, ना पढ़ाई में, ना किसी चीज. एक भी चैलेंजिंग टास्क आएगा, मुझे मालूम है वो कर सकता हूं. आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा है, मैं पावरफुल हूं, मुझे लोग प्यार करते हैं. अंदर मुझे मालूम है कि मुझे किसी से डर नहीं लगता. अगर लगता है then it's a matter of concern. When was the last time you did something nice for yourself? If somebody can elaborate and tell me, if you can have a Govinda, can have a minute's pause and at least find out after so many slides that what does nice mean to this generation in this age group, and when was the last time they did something nice for themselves?
Sure, sir. Students, you can raise your hand and one by one I will ask you to communicate.
Yes. They must be confused about nice, first thing. Second thing, they must be confused about what nice I did to myself. I mean, they'll be thinking and thinking and thinking. Krishna, since I can see you, I'm always coming to you. So you are just in my vision, right? There's no one else. So it's always Krishna Bodhe, Krishna Bodhe, Krishna Bodhe, right? So Krishna, when was the last time you did something nice for? Maybe it could be few seconds back, few minutes back. Not the big yawn you took. That wasn't the nicest thing you did, right? But
I'm not remembering.
You're not remembering, or you're failing to understand what is being asked.
Yes, sir. Means that only, not understanding what means that question means.
आपने अपने साथ अच्छा किया है क्या, या अंतिम बार आपने कुछ अच्छा किया था, आप इस बात से क्या समझते हैं? और मैं सिर्फ ये जानना चाहता हूं कि आपके लिए अच्छे का क्या मीनिंग है, और आप जब अपने साथ अच्छा करते हैं तो क्या, आप बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें मुझे नहीं करनी आती, मुझे बहुत छोटा छोटा पूछना और समझना आता है। जब आप मुझे ये समझा पाएंगे तो फिर अपन आगे बढ़ेंगे। नाइस का मतलब क्या होता है? अच्छा।
Yes. Yes, sir.
मैं कृष्णा के साथ नाइस क्या हो सकता हूँ? कृष्णा मेरे साथ नाइस कैसे हो सकता है? कृष्णा अगली बार नाइस कैसे हो सकता है मेरे साथ? वो जब भी ऑन करेगा तो मुंह पे हाथ रखेगा। So Krishna is nice to me.
Yes,
right?
Vanshika is showing her hand. Vanshika,
Yes.
you can.
Sir, 2 days before I was feeling some stress because of studies, or I was feeling like tired. Thought of going to terrace and just spending a little of time for myself, and looking at the clouds and viewing nature makes me feel happy. So I just took out some time for myself and give it half an hour for myself. That's how it made me feel happy.
That's very nice, Vanshika. That's very nice. And it's so good you want to connect to the nature, and that half an hour rejuvenate you, and you bounced back once more into the frame of positivity. That's very nice. And I'm so happy that you know techniques that you can come out of your own stress when you find stress yourself stressful. You have those beautiful things inside you that you can associate with nature or anything else for that matter, and do wonderful things. Thank you, Vanchika. That was great insight. Anyone else, Govinda, we have there?
I can't see the hands, but I can see the faces. They just want to talk to you. Yes, you can.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, last time, sir, I have pieces. So that was a nice view. I was trying to capture the photo, but I was not able to.
So, which thing was the nicest here? Was going to the terrace, on the terrace along with your father and trying to play cricket, which didn't happen, and suddenly the clouds didn't happen, and suddenly sun came, and that was wonderful, and you tried to take a picture.
Sir, that view was wonderful.
That view was very nice, which made you feel good. All right.
Yes.
Anyone else we have there? Tell me, if we are talking about in terms of doing nice things to ourselves.
Yes, Isha.
There's one? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Was they reveal about themselves, what their thought process? We can relate to them.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Isha.
Yes, Isha.
Sir, yesterday from 2-3 days I was feeling so tensed about what is going to happen about our studies in school and all. So that's why after that, seeing me so tense, my mother told me to do something that I like. So for the rest of the day, I spent drawing and playing with my sister. And my mother told not to touch two books whenever you feel tense.
Isha, can we have a look at that drawing which you drew 2 days back, if that's just beside you? I mean, you'd love to have a look at that.
Yeah, I would.
Is it near?
Bring it.
Okay, we'll wait for it. Now, if this guy is playing tabla, we'll listen to his tabla, Krishna's tabla, while he's playing and knocking his fingers on the table. And नहीं अच्छा है कृष्णा, बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, तबला भी अच्छा लग रहा है तुम्हारा. I too play tabla, so I'm fond of playing tabla. Good.
There is one more hand, Anish.
All right.
You can also join.
So, sir, on 28th, I have saw a rainbow. So that rainbow view is nice. I was very happy after seeing that rainbow.
That's very nice.
Yes, sir. On 28th the afternoon. So I was very happy after seeing the rainbow.
Did it rain and then the rainbow showed?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. After rain, suddenly the uh, sunlight appeared and the rainbow I have seen.
So in Varda, right? Rained.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
wow, great. You have rains there.
And sir, it was very clear and it was looking very big. So I was very happy.
Okay, that's nice. But you have to create your own rainbow. Rainbow and rains do not come often in this month. So be a rainbow yourself, right?
Sir.
I hope you get my point. So it's good that you connect with the nature, find out those wonderful, beautiful things nature has to offer to us. And during this lockdown period, the nature is more beautiful apparently.
Yes,
So we
sir,
can
because pollution is decreased now.
Yes. So we have been nice to Mother Earth. We have been nice to nature. So nature is reciprocating. Once we are not nice, once this lockdown is gone, and if we are going to be the same people we were before, then it's going, no more rainbows are going to show up, right?
Yes,
There'll
sir.
be
Now,
with chemicals.
thank you, sir.
So Krishna, Isha has come with her painting or drawing, right?
So it was just I have brought my mother's phone to show you.
Okay. And you'll have to describe it for us. Oh wow, beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Show it again, Isha.
Mother?
Show it again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Isha, क्या है उसमें? What is all happening in that painting?
So it's an imaginary drawing in that I have drawn something like mount and a girl is standing over it holding balloons with a background of moon.
It's a mound on which a girl is standing. She's holding balloons, right?
Yes, sir.
और पीछे क्या है? पीछे आसमान इतना खूबसूरत वो जो है वो क्या है?
So it's a background of moon.
Moon है. और वो काले और सफेद जो दिखा है वो
So that means the stars and all it is.
बहुत खूबसूरत है. Beautiful. दिमाग में जब ईशा बनाया ये रख लो उस नीचे. Your beautiful face now. Yes, Isha. You said imagined it. A girl with balloons. Why does this happen? I mean, does it connect somewhere with the feelings that happens inside your heart, mind, or you simply mechanically just do
So
it?
I just drew it.
Okay, you just drew it. It was impulsive, right? You felt you want to draw a girl, you drew it. You want to draw some balloons in a hand, you drew it. And you wanted the sky to be illuminated with stars. It was a night and you wanted
Yes, sir.
moon to be there. So wonderful. तो आप साइंस में क्या कर रही हैं? आपको तो लिटरेचर लेना चाहिए.
Sure. But it's just it feels nice, but it can be done all the time.
Yeah. It can't be done all the time, but you have an avenue. You have a way to that leads to happiness, and you can find that way. Good, Isha. Wonderful. So we move on to the next slide.
Sir.
Haji.
There are few more hands.
It's wonderful. I mean, if you can just try to find out what goes in their minds and hearts, that would be lovely.
Yes, Bhargavi.
सर कुछ दिन पहले जैसे मुझे बोर हो रहा था तो आई ने कहा कि हमें जो पेपर्स रद्दी में देने थे तो अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से वो हम दे नहीं पाए तो उसने कहा कि उसका तू अगर कुछ क्रिएटिव कर सकेगी तो कर तो मैंने उसके पेपर बैग्स बनाए थे.
Bhargavi, that's very nice. So
Can I show?
हाँ, of course. बिल्कुल दिखाओ. ये तो हम आए हैं दोपहर. Very talented Dr. Govind, it's a very, very
Vrushank.
Meanwhile, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to tell you that yesterday I was experimenting with my headphones, so I was out of copper wire, and then I had to go to the storeroom for fetching them. And while fishing through the storeroom, I found an old Hot Wheels car, which was from my childhood, so it freshened my childhood memories. That we played with it.
Which car was it?
Sir, it was a Chevrolet Camaro Hot Wheels car. It had a blue color on it. Let me bring it.
Yes, Bhargavi. Bhargavi is ready.
Yes. Paper bag. Oh my God. Wonderful.
How much weight it can carry, Bhargavi?
Sir,
Do the experiment. Right?
Very true. Very true. Oh, that is a blue color Chevrolet, right? Hot Wheels, right?
Yes, sir. During that time, I was living in Ujjain.
Ujjain?
Yes, sir.
When? When was it?
Sir, during between 2010 to something like 2014.
And well, it's unfortunate that we didn't meet.
Yes, sir.
We didn't meet, and I hope I could meet your parents, and it didn't happen. But yes, now you're in Wardha, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. That's a lovely car to have. Does this car come into your dreams too? You want to own that car?
Yes, sir. Though I have obsessed with racing cars, and I have very many racing games in my laptop, in this PC.
Good, 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 good. That's a terrific passion to have. Racing cars. Good. Bhargavi, you need to sum up with that experiment which was just mentioned by Dr. Govinda, right? How much weight does it carry? That's very important, right? And then you can be an entrepreneur too, and you can be very social. You can do a lot of social work by distributing them free, or you can sell them at a very low cost. With great help, right? Congratulations to you all.
Yug, what do you want
Hello,
to say?
Sir.
Yes, you.
Sir, my mind is always I'm busy with my work, but always when I'm doing my work, in my mind I'm just getting the suggestion of that COVID-19 only. So, sir, what should I do? Where should I divert my mind?
Okay. Now, the most important thing is, why is it happening to you? The first thing you need to look at is why this thing COVID-19 keeps coming to you, interfering with your thoughts. Why is it so? Number one, is it because you happen to read a lot of this stuff? Number two, is it what the family is always talking about? Number three, are my friends, my WhatsApp group, are they into COVID-19 significantly? What's it up to? What's it doing? And all that stuff. Or is there anything else, any channel, any medium through which I am always being carried away through news, through channels, through talks, through interpersonal relationships about COVID-19? It has occupied a dominant space in your life. Now you have to choose that. Then we can talk further how to remove that. How did this happen? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई क्या?
Yes, sir. Sir,
देखो
it
बेटा,
is
या तो
because
अपन
of
बहुत सारी बात because of
Sir, it's because of that sometimes when I'm using my phone for some time, always the notifications are coming above that only.
We have the liberty and the choice to block the notifications. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And there are no very urgent or important notifications at this age for you as an individual, as a professional, as a student, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think the best thing would be to block those notifications which hamper
Yes,
your,
sir.
right?
Yes.
Once that is over, you will get more focused.
Thank you, sir.
We have to train our mind to push those thoughts away which try to evade our positive thoughts, right?
Yes, sir.
And it's easy. It's easy
Yes,
to train
yes.
ourselves. You can do
Yes,
it.
sir.
All
Yes.
right? All the
Yes.
best.
Thank you, sir.
Is there anyone else? So we move forward?
Yes, sir. 3-4 hands are there, but I think we should move forward.
Wonderful. No, I'm loving this, Govinda.
Okay. Shall we go ahead with the questions?
Yes, and we won't take the time management part. We'll
Okay.
finish it off with listening to the students, and if there are any more slides, we'll just brush it with them. And if there are any questions after that,
Yes.
we'll enter. All
Yes.
right?
Yes. So next is Ayush. You can ask.
Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Ayush.
You are not visible. You're audible, but you're not visible. Why is it so?
Okay, sir. Sir, may I speak?
Yes. Please join with your camera so
Okay,
that
sir.
sir can see you.
Sir, may I speak?
नहीं, पहले दिखो हमारे को. हमें दिख नहीं रहे हो आप.
Sir, I have on the camera.
Yes.
हाँ, अभी ठीक है आयुष. अभी आए थे आप.
Yes, sir. Whenever I feel bored, I have watched my garden. Some animal eating food. I love it very much, and it make me happy.
I'm interested to know which animal. You need to name the animal who eats the food there.
Sir,
And food.
there are some squirrels, some birds.
Wow. Wow. So you have the tendency to go to the garden and have a look at the garden and those.
Yes, sir. I always give food to them.
Oh man, this is so nice. And what is that nice thing you did to yourself? I mean, this was one of them.
Yes, sir. So watching them, I feel very much happy.
Okay. And if they are not around, what can you do? Ayush, I just have this simple question going into my head right now.
Sir, I wait for some time. If they didn't come, if they didn't come, I go from there, and after some time they come.
All right. So if they suddenly, hypothetically, do not come to your garden, suppose.
Sir, I feel very sad.
You feel very sad. Now, Ayush, if I can say so, that we should not be dependent on some factors which generate happiness, external factors. Ayush?
Yes, sir.
बेटा एक दिन अगर गिलहरी नहीं आई, 2 दिन नहीं आई, 3 दिन नहीं आई, चिड़ियाएं गायब हो गई, सपोज ईश्वर करे वो रोज आए, लेकिन सपोज करें कि वो 5-6 दिन, तो आप बहुत उदास हो जाओगे बेटा.
No, sir, not like that. If I feel bored, then only I watch them.
Okay, तो वो बोरियत से दूर भागने का तरीका है गिलहरियों को और चिड़ियाओं को देखने के लिए. All right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो जब आप बोर होते हो तब उनको देखते हो, और वो नहीं भी होंगे तो आप बोर होते रहोगे फिर, या कोई और चीज मिल जाएगी. Right.
Sir, I do some other activities.
Like what? Name them. I'm interested always.
Sir, I like to play tabla, so I play tabla.
Okay. तबला.
Yes.
झपताल में कितनी मात्रा होती है?
Sir, 12.
इजी वाला पूछ लेता हूँ. रूपक में कितनी होती है?
Sir, 7.
और ऐसे करके बताओ, बोल के बताओ.
ती तीना धीना धीना ती तीना धीना धीना.
गिनो ना धीरे धीरे.
What, sir?
गिनो ना उसको धीरे धीरे आयुष.
Sir, 6.
6. Yes. Good. I also love to play tabla, Ayush. We have something in common. That's good. Wonderful.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very good. Anyone else? Dr. Govinda?
Yes, sir. Drishti.
Hi, sir.
Can you please
Hi,
start your
Peter.
camera,
Hi, Drishti.
Drishti?
Yes,
Just a minute, Drishti.
sir.
Yes, Drishti.
Drishti, you're visible. Yeah, great.
So you asked the last time you did something nice to yourself. So that might just 1 second ago. So because I do things with a light,
I beg your pardon.
but I don't do this with a light.
I'm sorry, the audio isn't clear at all.
1 minute, sir. Drishti, ask again.
Yes, sir. I'm not able to hear you.
ठीक है, you can speak. You are audible now. Speak.
दृष्टि अभी ऑडिबल हैं आप?
Sir, am I audible now?
बिल्कुल आ रही है, आपकी आवाज साफ आ रही है.
Okay, sir. Sir, so you asked us the last time you did something nice for yourself, right?
Yes. Yes, Drishti, very true.
So, sir, that's almost 1 hour ago because I love dancing and sketching.
Dancing and sketching. Did I hear you properly? Number 1 is dancing, number 2 is sketching. Drishti is gone. Okay, she loves dancing and sketching. That's
So
what.
actually there's some network problem, so I may ask it later.
नहीं, अभी आ रही है आवाज आपकी. डांसिंग और स्केचिंग की बात बोलिए. ठीक है. Okay, we'll get back to her later. Yes. Anyone else? Dr. Govinda.
Yes. So when I have drawn anything, I feel very good. But if I can't draw something, so I don't feel bad, but somewhat worried that I can't do. But afterwards, when I have in my mind that I can do it, it works, and I draw it.
नहीं, ये अभी ऑडियो बहुत साफ नहीं था. ये नाम क्या है आपका? साई?
साई.
हाँ,
साई.
साई ना?
Sai. Now speak. Sai. Repeat.
Sai,
it.
Sir, when I have drawn anything, I feel good. But sometimes, if I am not in mood of drawing, but my brain says that I have to draw. So, if I draw, so I feel somewhat worried that I shall draw it or not. But then, if I have told my mind that I can draw it, it works, and I draw it, and my mood changes.
Okay, I got your point. So it's good. Don't ever be in a conflict. In a conflict, whether to draw or not to draw. Right now, do you have your exams on your head?
Yes.
Yes. So research say, or lots of people say, or they have a solid argument that after 25 minutes at a stretch of studying, all right, you need to have a 5-minute break. And after a 60 minute of studying, you need to have a 10-minute break. That's how it multiplies, and that's how the mind works, and it refreshes and it gets reoriented, rejuvenated, and the mindfulness part is being taken care of, so 5 minutes are all right. You need a half an hour in 24 hours. So we have our next session. I don't know when it's going to come up because today's time we're through with it, but time management is our next session. So maybe Dr. Govinda will plan it out, and we'll check it. How can we organize ourselves throughout the day and find out the best of our time?
Sir, last question.
Gone.
So
Yes.
we'll take
Sir,
questions. Yes. Say.
Sir, sometime when I do something, sir, sometimes I feel that it is happening again and again. Like I did it before.
You need to give an example.
Sir, like when I go somewhere, sir, I feel that it previously happened in my life.
और समझाइए मुझे.
Give some example from your life. Share some incidents.
आसपास कोई है क्या, पापा मम्मा?
Sir, like no.
No.
Sir, I
Wait. Now speak. Yes.
I'm not. Are you able to comprehend it, Govinda? I'm not able to.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes. Switch
can't
off
hear
your
it.
camera, then speak.
Sir, can you hear me?
बोलो.
Yes, now I can.
आपका कैमरा ऑफ कर लो सबसे पहले. नेटवर्क इज नॉट गुड एट योर हैंड. अब बोलो.
हाँ, yes.
Sir, I went to my Bhua's home. There, the activities which I did, I thought that I was repeating them. I did them previously.
और वो आप पहली बार कर रहे थे?
Yes, sir.
और आपको ऐसा लगा कि वो आपने पहले कर चुकी है?
Yes, sir. ऐसे मतलब कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि ये मैं सपने में देख चुका. सर, ऐसे लगता है कि ये हो चुका है, बस हो चुका है.
अच्छा, तो मतलब आप जो एक्टिविटी करते हैं वो कैसी एक्टिविटी रहती है, जरा मुझे बताएंगे प्लीज?
सर, कुछ भी डेली एक्टिविटीज एकदम से कभी कभी ऐसे यानी कुछ करता तो कभी कभी एकदम से ऐसे करंट सा बैठता है कि ये हो चुका है.
नहीं, जैसे ब्रश करते हैं, टॉयलेट जाते हैं, नहाते
नहीं
हैं.
सर, तब नहीं.
तो फिर
नो
जब तक
नो
मुझे बताएंगे
एकदम
नहीं, एक्टिविटी बताएंगे नहीं, तब तक मुझे समझ नहीं आएगा.
सर, वो कभी भी होता, मतलब डेली एक्टिविटीज नहीं, पर कोई स्पेशल एक्टिविटी जैसे कहीं पे मैं जाता हूँ या मतलब कुछ सर वो कभी भी होता मतलब.
अच्छा यश, अप्रिशिएट कि तुम मुझे जैसे समझाओगे. जैसे हमारे यहाँ उज्जैन में एक जगह घंटाघर, मैं जैसे घंटाघर पहली बार गया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये मेरे सपने में बहुत बार आ पाया, मैंने पहली बार देखा था. ऐसा कुछ बताओगे, विजुलाइज कर सकूंगा मैं, तब समझ में आ पाएगा.
हाँ सर, ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ. मतलब मैं कुछ ऐसे करता हूँ ना, तो कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है कि ये मेरे सपने में हो चुका है. ये मैं फिर से रिपीट कर
क्या
रहा
वो
हूँ।
अच्छी बातें होती हैं या अच्छी चीजें होती हैं देखने में विजुअल? क्या वो अच्छी बातें या देखने में अच्छी चीजें होती हैं या खराब होती हैं?
सर वो एक्चुअली जब मतलब वो होता है ना, तो जब मैं उठता हूँ तो मुझे वो याद नहीं रहता, पर जब वो होता है तो फिर एकदम से मुझे स्ट्राइक होता है माइंड में कि हाँ ये हो चुका है।
ऐसा पढ़ाई के साथ नहीं होता कि कोई नया चैप्टर खुला और वो ऐसा लगता
सर
है
वो
कि सब
कभी भी नहीं, सर वो
नहीं?
कभी भी होता।
हम्म। लेकिन ये चीज पढ़ाई में नहीं होती है, खेल में नहीं होती है, ये चीज जगह को लेके होती है। मैं चाह रहा हूँ यश कि जैसे ही आप उसको स्पेसिफाई करेंगे ना तो चीजें आसान होंगी।
Sir, we are getting
Yes.
the text in the chat box. There are more students who are experiencing the same thing. So we can ask them also what they are experiencing so that it will be more clear.
Yash is going through the same thing, Govinda?
Many students I can see in the chat box.
Okay,
Wait,
please,
Krishna.
Krishna,
Yes.
hi.
Yes, someone else can speak.
So,
Yes.
so Ojas here.
Yes, Ojas. Good afternoon.
Sir,
Yes.
this happens with me also, that particularly related to places. Means I think that I have been there, or I was there last night, or like this.
Okay. How frequent is this?
So, in 1 month or in 2 months, it happens.
Okay. Can we have more of this, Govinda?
Yes, more students can share their.
Yes. We need to have a
Shreyashi, yes, Raj, any one of you can tell. Vrushank, yes,
Sir.
Shreyashi, Vrushank, any one of you can. Raj, yes.
Sir, I'm Raj. Sir, when I start, sir, many chapters repeat daily. Sir, in my dreams they comes like I have repeated them.
I didn't get you. I mean, there are the chapters which you read, which have already been read by you in your dreams, that way?
No, sir, I have read in that previous class and in dreams that repeat in
Okay.
my.
Yes, Kalyani, do you experiencing the same or you have different thing to share?
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes, pretty much, Sahil.
Yes. When I was the age of these kids, I used to experience the same thing, but it was with the situation. Like I have said, this means I'm having conversation with any one of the people, and the conversation had already took place. I used to feel this, but now I'm not getting this. I was to feel.
When was actually this happening, Kalyani? When was this happening? I mean,
she is in
before
BSc final year, sir.
I'm an undergraduate final year student, sir.
BSc final year students. Okay.
Yes. When I was in school, I guess in 9th or 10th, this used to happen.
9th or 10th, and it was situational.
Yeah.
Or conversational.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I used to feel that I already had this conversation. I said these things to people.
Okay. I think there are certain things, Dr. Govinda, which are called as already seen, already heard. Already is the main thing, or deja vu they call it, scientific phenomenon.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether kids are going through that, which is of course a temporary phase, and sometimes, most of the times, it's more stress related and happens during anxiety peaks. and relatively kids are not able to fancy it more often, and they just tend to flow with that and try to be amused with the fact that this is something new happening in our lives, and how can we get used to it, accustomed to it. But nothing stationary. I think this will pass, and sometimes it's more stress led outlets, and sometimes things scientifically happen where left or right brain works in its own ways, and you have to deal with it. But unless it's very insecure, unless it's very scary, unless it instills fear in you, then it's a matter of concern, I believe, very strongly believe. So all the things which have I just have had happened to listen to these young people, I think it's all right. If I go to a place and I see that, I've seen it in my dreams, it's wonderful. And I've seen this man or woman, people around me, or situations or conversation, it'll vanish. Let not things, people, situations scare you. Once it does that, it's a matter of concern. You need to go to your teacher, parent, and talk and speak to them. Is that all right? Does it make sense, Dr. Govinda?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But this is common. This has
Yes.
come out of this discussion that most of the students are experiencing the same thing. Then there must be certain stress, which.
Very true. Very true. Very true. Now they all need to come out with the micro niche part of that stress. That what is the thing that bothering them, right? Now this is the first session. Maybe if we could have another one where they could share their insecurities, their insights, and just share without any academic sense purpose or growth or development part of it. I think it's more valuable to both the parties.
Yes.
Yes. We have that kid, the young kid.
Yeah. Sahil, you can interact now.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Hi.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I want to share my experience. When was the last time you did something nice for yourself?
Yeah.
So, sir, today I was just cleaning my bookshelf and I saw my old drawing book. I saw there a torn page and I just drawn a drawing for myself.
You saw an old drawing book, number one. Number two, you saw a torn page there. That's what I heard, Sahil. A torn page in the old drawing book.
Yes, sir.
Right? And
Yes, sir.
the third part of the conversation, what did you do after that? You drew on what? That drawing
So I
book.
drew on the page.
That torn page?
On the torn page.
On the torn page. The torn page was there. It was torn, but it was there in the book. You took out that torn page and you... okay, fine. Now that's interesting. So you did something nice to yourself and old memories came back to you?
Yes.
And you felt nice about
Yes,
yourself?
sir.
All right, Sahil, that's great.
So can I show my drawing?
Yeah, if you have it beside you right now, you can always... Oh my God, these people are so talented. Oh my God. Sahil, पक्का ये आपने बनाई है?
Yes, sir.
साहिल झूठ नहीं बोलने का बिल्कुल भी. क्या उम्र है
Sir,
आपकी?
really?
8th standard. क्या उम्र हो गई?
Sir, so 13 years running.
13 years. Look what you're drawing. क्या बनाया उसमें? क्या बनाया तुमने उसमें?
Sir, I've drawn a bench on which a girl and a boy are sitting.
The boy, I can easily assume it's Sahil, right? I am interested to know about the girl right now, Sahil.
Sir, maybe my sister.
That's very diplomatic. Very nicely answered. But a brother and a sister facing moon in that beautiful twilight, it's a beautiful drawing. You do it just fantastic, Sahil.
Sir?
Keep it up.
Hello?
Keep it up.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Keep it up.
Sir,
Yes.
I also have made some sketches during my leisure time. Can I show them to you?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, hello?
Let me guess, who is this? Hollywood
Sir, he
hero?
is very popular among
Hollywood hero?
Iron Man.
Yes.
Kौन? Who is this?
Tony
Stark.
Tony Robert Downey Jr.
Acha, okay. Hold on.
More like them. It's like
Prashant, I have drawn Captain America.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, lovely, lovely. अच्छा, अभी this Rushank, right? Rushank just spoke about drawing sketches in his leisure time. All right, right? You spoke about that word leisure,
yes, sir.
right? So, how many questions are there?
Sir, I
Dr. Govinda, have you?
Sir, I do sketch.
Okay, let's have a look at that too first. Let's put the sketch first right there. We're waiting. Who is the person? Who is the student?
Sir, I have also made. Can I show it?
Yeah, sure. We're waiting.
Is it visible?
Yes, Abha. Anjali, you can interact now.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Anjali.
Sir, I was having a question regarding high esteem.
Okay, yeah.
Sir, like high esteem people have a very strong self-belief. So how
Yes.
can we stop this self-esteem to be get converted into ego? Means there's a risk that a very high self-esteem could be ego.
Wonderful question. How old are you?
14 years.
14 years. For 14 years, it's a remarkable question. Now, this was coming in the end where it was supposed to be told to all the students and everyone around us, and we acknowledge the fact of us being present here too. That Anjali, you have to always strike a balance between the two streams. Whenever the self-confidence, the self-belief, and all the positivity that comes into being in a person, in an individual, it tends to turn into arrogance. It turns, then you call him or her an egoistic person. So you have to strike a balance between both this. You have to find that aura of gratitude. You have to find and connect with gracefulness, so that you constantly remind yourself about being confident and at the same time not being arrogant, not being egoistic. Now, does that make sense? It's not an equation whereby you can just say that this is the way you not turn yourself into an unit. It happens. You need to consciously remind yourself all the time that confidence means, self-confidence means having trust in your abilities, right? When you create a self-image out of self-confidence, the self-image should not be an arrogant one. an egoistic one. You have to stay cautioned always. All right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali, for that wonderful question.
Sir, can we share that quiz with students now?
Let me have a look at the slide which follows next.
Yes.
So we'll just go through this quickly.
Yes.
So building up high esteem, practice laughing and at yourself also. As you grow up, tensions will mount, challenges will mount, and you'll have to face them. But do not ever be very serious about your own existence. Like an example is given here that if you say basically instead of basically, have a good laugh that you pronounce it wrongly. Don't be ashamed about it. Right? Things like that, which happens with us normally in a normal day routine. So you need to be having a good laugh about it, right? Not just a smile, but a bloating, inflated laugh, right? Okay. Now this is an exercise which everyone can do, and it's very interesting, I think. And maybe if you can get hold of a bucket, and put some holes beneath, and some nails. The nail represents all the things that was told to you which were negative. ये मत करो, एक नेल डाली. ये ऐसा नहीं होता, तुम अच्छे नहीं हो, तुम ऐसे नहीं हो, ऐसे. और फिर बाल्टी में धीरे से खूब सारा पानी भरा. ये पानी जो है, ये हमारी सेल्फ एस्टीम है. और ये नीचे जितने छेद होते हैं और जितने उनको रोक के रखा गया है, ये लोगों ने हमारी सेल्फ एस्टीम इस तरह से बनाई है कि लोगों ने ऐसा कहा है कि यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग, यू कांट डू दिस, यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, दिस एंड दैट. हाँ जी. Yes, I had an interruption. That was a lovely voice. Okay, move ahead with this, Dr. Govind, or somebody
Yes,
interjected, Okay, so
Sir, when at 8 point you said that practice laughing
yes,
at yourself. Sometimes I laugh at myself when I do any mistake or at reminding a joke. So my parents, like my mom, tells that, "Are you gone mad or anything?"
No, I think the parents haven't been brought up in such a way. People are amazing out there, and it's so good to hear that you laugh at a joke, or if you make a mistake, you tap on the head and say, "What a foolish mistake you did." This is wonderful, trying to abreast yourself, your self-talk. Yes.
Sir, when I first came to Wardha, when I joined my class in BLVN, the students, my surname is Chakole, so my classmates used to say me like Chakli, chocolate, Chakulian, and sort of names. So I used to laugh at myself, and now after 2 years, I have gained a habit of being called Chakli, chocolate, or Chakolian.
Now, Vrushank, you are an example to so many, I tell you, that how to deal with this aspect here. So maybe I'll quote your name and your age and your past too, when you were sometime back in a Gen 2, that I know a student who is in Wardha right now, and this is the way he tackled this situation whereby he was condescended and he was looked down upon, he was called names, and people laughed at him, mocked at him, and made faces at him, and actually your self-esteem is very high, Vrushank. And the people around you, they have tremendous low self-esteem. So you can laugh at them too. Instead of laughing at yourself, you can smile at them and you can pat your back and say, "It's all right, guys. I understand. You belong to that category of low self-esteem. I have all the empathy and sympathy with you." Right, Vrushank? So next time you do that, and I love to hear that thing. How do you do? अभी बाला पिक्चर भी तो आई थी. बाला देखी कि नहीं है? बाला आयुष्मान खुराना वाली बाला, जिसमें वो गंजा है तो विग लगाता है वो पूरे टाइम. So it was very interesting. It was about higher self-esteem and low stress. The whole movie was about higher self-esteem. And people like Aishman Khurana are there around us, who are hiding themselves, all the time. So you take care of yourselves. It's going to happen. Video band kar raha hai. Chaliye. Okay. Parents need to fill a child's bucket of self-esteem so high that the rest of the world can't poke enough holes to drain it dry. This is very important. Teachers and parents too. Don't poke holes into them. Another way to build high self-esteem is to make contribution. Socially contribute, personally contribute, individual contribution. Just going and giving it to someone in need impulsively, without any thought and plan, brings out the best in you. Find a hobby you can pursue independently to build a high self-esteem. It could be anything: games, sports, music, sculpturing, dancing, painting, anything. Final thought about today's session: that we are unique individuals. No one else in this world is like us. So we are special, and our time in this world is limited. You have to leave a mark, so don't waste your time. Stay high esteemed. Don't turn into an egoistic bull, but stay high self-esteemed. That calls officially off this session, Dr. Govinda. Now we can distribute, or you can distribute that thing, and let me know when I can officially leave the meeting.
Yes.
And if you have certain questions, then you're welcome.
Yes. Students, check your chat box. There is a link I am sharing. You can copy that in your browser and you can open up the form and you can attempt the response sheet. This is about self-esteem. And you will be evaluated through this. After attempting that, come back to the session. We'll let you know. We will give you 5 minutes for this.
Are the students visible to you on the chat box? I mean, their presence.
Just a minute, sir. You can see few of them on your screen.
Okay. Now you can have a look at them that they are doing it, so it's all right. You can give them time.
3-4 undergraduate students from my college have also joined this session. They are also attempting it.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I have done.
Okay.
Sir, me too.
Yes, sir, I have also done.
Till now, 20 students have completed filling that sheet.
So actually it's a rating scale, right? Where do they stand, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm not having that in my hand. So maybe Govinda, you can have a look and.
Yes, sir. You can tell them, sir, about this sometimes score and never.
No, actually I don't have that. So.
Okay. Okay.
So if you have, you can tell them what is expected, or if we can ask one student who's grown up, UG student,
Yeah.
and how he or she has come about doing it.
Yes.
So we have a better
That will
understanding.
be good.
Everyone would be fair.
True.
This girl is there. Nehal has finished doing it, right? So Nehal can tell us.
Yes, sir, I did finish it.
Yes, yes. Nehal, how have you done it? What do you find about the whole thing as you attempted it? And tell us more about it.
Sir, I feel that yes, I could be a high esteemed person, and I have some things negative inside me, but sure I will overcome them.
Can I stop you for a moment, please, Nehal?
Yes.
Nehal, let us know what does the sheet, this questionnaires, expected from you? As what did it expected from you? And what were the things that was to be found out? And which were the aspects that you feel you need to improve upon? Okay. No,
yes,
the scale is all right. 6 on to 10 or 20, 18. I'm not worried about that. If I can pick up my weaknesses on which I have to work upon, that's more important to me as a person, right?
Yes.
Along with looking at my positive sides, because they shine through me, right? So Nehal, come about. How did you go about it?
Sir, about it, it was a quiz that would make me think about myself, and I wondered that what I am and about the things I need to improve, such as sometimes I am influenced by the harsh words of my friends, but still there is a feeling of positiveness that there is someone with me and my friends will be with me when I am in the time of difficulty.
this is one part, or is it over? This is the most, this is the most striking part of your personality, that you have a diabolical situation here, that your friends speak harsh about yourself.
No, but not always. They are
Not all.
really good,
No,
good people.
Nehal, we are not here to balance things, right? We have to come and straightforward look into the eyes of the person who is trying the best for you, right? That if there are people around you who are harsh to you, sometimes in a week, 4 words. Now, if those 4 words remain with you forever, if you don't have the ability to forget them, simultaneously, you don't have the ability to forgive them. But you are emotionally weak, so you need friends to stay with them, listen to those hard words. Now, I find this a little difficult to understand as a person.
Yes.
I hope you're getting my point, Nehal.
Yes, sir.
So I'm not asking you to give hope on your friends, but I want you to become a more confident person, whereby you don't become a sponge sort of, whereby comments just flow in, take a deep-seated root inside your personality, and you feed them, you nurture them, and you stay with them. I don't want you to become that, but it's like a stone where the water flows and then stay and flows and goes, and you must realize that they have their own weaknesses, who the persons around you, the friends around you. So maybe their frustrations, their esteem levels, they might be directing them to do so, to speak bad about you, to speak harsh about you, which is some kind of an emotion. So forgive them, move on, but don't stay with the words they speak about you.
Yes.
Be confident enough, Nehal, to stand on your own feet. One day nobody is going to be around you, right?
Yes.
So the sooner we leave this comfort zone and depend on our belief system and value system. So 3 good people who are your friends. Next session. The first one is God. The second one is mother. And the third one is father. They stay with you forever. Even how harsh they are, but these things. So if you can talk to God, 90% of the problems are solved. Rest 10% of the problems shared by the parents. All right? Then we have friends. Then we have friends. Okay. मेरे साथ उल्टा था, मेरे साथ सब बाद में थे और दोस्त बहुत सारे थे और दोस्त पहले थे, लेकिन मुझे धीरे धीरे समझ में आया, और मैं चाहता हूं कि मेरे जैसा तुम धीरे धीरे नहीं समझो, तुम थोड़ा जल्दी से समझो.
Yes.
ठीक है ने? Good.
Thank you, sir.
Keep working on you.
Yes.
That's right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Pleasure. So, Govinda, most of the people might have their own weaknesses and things that might, it will take time to relate to them, and they'll come out in open, not with a murk of the finger, right? They'll take their own sweet time. They want to depend on you emotionally and all those things. So, to establish a bond, we might take time. Let them have their own time. But meanwhile, if even they can relate to you as an individual, apart from the academics purposes, I think it's going to be great knowing students' lives and their journeys. Tremendous.
Now, sir, you can tell them from my screen.
So, since we can't go to each one of them, they can always tell in the chat box, and you can relate to me, that number 9, I don't understand. Number 15, yeah, I am. So we don't have quick fix solutions for all this, but naturally it's for them to gauge their level of esteem they stand up to, right? And this esteem word is again the like and the admiration of oneself. So it's all about themselves. So we can always come from low to average, average to high. It can always be done. But if there's anything, any point, 9, 10, 11, 12, that is bothering them, or they're failing to understand, or they're very perturbed about that, then we can, of course, deal with it right now.
Can you see my screen?
Always, sometimes, never.
Yeah. At the end, scoring scheme of this questionnaire.
So you can just ask and start from the scores between 31 and 40. How many of them?
They can calculate from their responses. I will share their responses with them again and they can calculate this.
All right, so we'll leave it here right now.
Yes, yes.
There isn't any question more about all this.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much, sir, for this wonderful session. And I don't want to give feedback. Rather, I invite some of the student, maybe someone from undergraduate kid can share their feedback about this session. Yes, Kalyani.
I think they have in mind we can improve. I can improve. We can, as facilitators,
yes,
we can improve.
Any one of you can share your views about this session because it was not directly related to the science, but for me, it is much required, much needed.
So may I?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead, Kalyani.
It was very nice to have you. We didn't got this at our time when we was the age of these kids. It's very good to make believe these kids and make them understand what the self-esteem is, how to believe in their self, what are they lacking, how they can overcome it. It's very good to have this kind of knowledge, and I must say it should be included somewhere in the education system also, so that the children can get this kind of exposure, so that they can deal with the outside society, outside pressure, what actually the outside peoples are. They can get all these things with this, and also they will be knowing how the human psychology works, what is there in that.
Thank you, Kalyani.
So it was very good to have you. We also enjoyed your session a lot, sir.
Thank you, Kalyani. It's always a pleasure being with students, whatever age they are. And it's truly rightly said, very strongly put in that it should be a part of primary education where children need to learn along with math, science, and all those stuff. Subject-wise, they need to have that belief in themselves. Very rightly pointed out, Kalyani. Thank you for being there as a participant too.
Thank you, sir.
So with this, we'll end this meeting here.